today with another wig review slash tutorial, you know, whatever you want to call them. Today we are going to talk about the Sensationnel Cloud 9 Swiss Lace Multi-Parting Lace Wig. It's 100% premium fiber, so of course that means it's synthetic. This one is the Vixen in the loose wave. Yeah, loose wave, 24 inches. You can do it in multi-parting ways. You can do the half up space buns, which are ninja buns, bantu knots, whatever you want to call them. You can do a center part, and you also can do the butterfly braids, which are like the two braids to the back. Some people call them French braids, some people call them goddess braids, whatever you want to call them. Again, it is the 4-way parting Vixen in the loose wave, 24 inches. And okay, this is the packaging that the wig comes in. Again, let me show you the stock card. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and rip this bad boy out. You feel me? I'm horrible when it comes to just snatching stuff and throwing stuff. Okay, it comes of course in a net like all wigs usually do. Let's see, it already comes pre-parted for you in the little scrunchie, so you can see how that looks. It's already sectioned into 4 sections. Kind of looks a little thin, but we'll get into that. Let me see. Okay, this is the inside of the cap. As you can see, you have your lace for your 4-way parting. If you want to do like 4 buns, if you want to do like a half up, half down, you want to braid it however you want to. It does have the 2 combs in the back. If y'all can see those are 2 combs. It does have adjustable straps. It does have that. Kind of course, like a yucky feel. It's not really silky, but it has a yucky feel to it. It does look a little shiny. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it does look a little shiny. So I'm going to have to spray some dry shampoo to kind of get that tone down a little bit. In the front, well, that came on the lace part. On the front, we have 2 combs right by the middle part. And then we have 2 combs on the outer by the ear. If y'all can see those. And that is the construction. Let's see what this hairline's talking about. Alright. So, let me get close for you all. The hairline doesn't look too bad. I'm probably going to have to go in and tweeze and kind of pluck a little bit to get it, but the parting is actually pretty good. It's really see-through, I will say that. You know how like some partings usually have like that tint to the lace? This one is like a complete see-through. Like that tint isn't deep, so I should have had like a blonde stocking cap, which I don't, so I'll probably have to get one. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to keep rolling with what we have. Okay, so you all can see the lace. All right, let's get into it. I'm just going to go in and just make this hairline look a little more believable. It's not bad, but I just don't want it as thick. Because again, remember I said I felt like I looked like the mama. I think her name was like Morticia or something like that from the Addams Family. This is a hard lace. It didn't feel itchy, but then again, I didn't have it on for that long either. And it was, once the got to be glued is on. I mean, you could take some out, do your baby hairs, whatever you want to do. But that'll be the hairline. I have an Eddie, So my Eddie will probably 9 times out of 10 show. That brown cap doesn't look bad under here. I didn't add any concealer. I did not add any powder, so there is nothing on it right now. As you can see, this is what the parting looks like on its own without any foundation, concealer, or anything. Okay, so final review of this wig. I give it a thumbs down. Like right now, I'm not feeling it. It could possibly grow on me, but yeah, I'm not feeling it. Pros to the wig. One pro is the parting. Like the lace looks good. No concealer, no foundation, nothing in it right now. So that's the pro. Another pro. There are none. I'm sorry, just that one. The cons, let's see, not big hair friendly at all. If you can see, I don't even have the wig all the way down. The wig is right here. I had to put the adjustable straps underneath my wig cap. Yes, granted, my hair is in the the twist under this. If you have a bigger, larger head, you need to cornrow your hair down and maybe it'll fit, but again, my twist ain't that doggone big. I laid them down while they were wet with gel with a do-rag, and when I do-rag, a scarf, and I have a wig cap on. Come on now, like it's not big hair friendly at all. The tabs don't come all the way down. Like I'm gonna have to use Got to Be Glued, whatever. Next con is of course the hairline. It's just not the best, even with me plucking it or whatever. It's not the best, and I definitely plucked a lot. Like, hold on. This ain't even half of what I plucked. Like, it's more on the floor. I just had to scrape that up real fast to show you. So I definitely plucked a lot, and it's still not the best. It's okay, because if you're wearing it down like this, it's cool or whatever. But if you're trying to pull it up into a ponytail, it's going to be really bulky and big right there. And I'm not a baby hair person, so I don't typically lay baby hairs. But you know, if you do, tweak it to make it work for you, boo, because it ain't working for me. Next con is it's just a little shiny, but of course, you know, dry shampoo can help that or whatever. The last and the biggest con of all is really a con. I felt like they conned me. Is the curl pattern. Yes, this is a loose wave. Look at her wave. Yes, her wave looks good, doesn't it? Like, yes, sis. Yes, for the wave. This damn wave. Honey, where's the wave? Where? Tell me. Where? Do you see it? Where? Because I'm looking forward to. It's just like when you take a flexi ride out and like 5 days later and you ain't putting no more back in and you just get this mess. Because it's just, I understand it's a loose wave, but this is just like a throwed out flexi ride set. Like thrown to the wind, gone, like nothing. This is like, you just like, girl, I'm gonna make it work. This is what this looks like. I'm not feeling it. This side is way looser than this side. This side looks okay. Like I can make this side work because it's giving me a little bit more, but this side is giving me, sis, you tried. And this was giving me, oh sis, we can work with that. So it's just two different textures on both sides, and I'm not feeling it at all. This one has a little more body. This one is like a little more flat. Even if I like fluff it up a little bit, it's just like, it's not the best. It's not for me personally. Maybe in my mind I was thinking body wave or something, because this is giving me, girl, you try, sis. Just let it go. Just go to work with your hair looking a mess. This is what it's giving me. So my overall opinion, for me personally, for Ty Molly, the wig is a dud. It's a no. It's a dub, whatever. Like, it's a nah, sis. Go get your 50 coins back, because this wasn't even worth $50 to me. Maybe if I try other styles, like, hell, the 2 ninja buns wasn't working for me. And that's due to the hairline. Like, I'm not feeling it. I'm not. I'm sorry. Just my honest opinion. You try it out for you, sis, and you let me know in the comments because maybe I'm not like working it the way that I could in potential. Don't get me wrong, I will wear it. I will kind of like, you know, fluff it up, make it look nice and kind of messy because I like the messy look. I do like flyaways, so I'm not the person who hair has to be like mousse down and everything laid and slayed. I like the messy look because it kind of gives you more of natural, like with the flyaways, and it kind of like, okay, so, you know, that's working for me. Like, I like that. I'm not the, oh, this has to be all the way down and flat. I don't like flat hair, I like big hair. Anyway, again, it's a no for me, but that's my opinion with this wig. I wish I would have seen some reviews before I purchased this wig, but it was new on Sam's Beauty, and I was like, oh, I gotta get that, I gotta get that, I gotta get that. And then he'll like get it, and I'm like, did I waste my goddamn money? Because I feel like I wasted my money. You know what I could have did with them $50? I could have bought two $25 wigs. But I bought one $50 Vixen wig, and it ain't giving me goddamn Vixen. It's giving me library lady. It ain't giving me what I thought it was gonna give me. I thought it was gonna give me like, yes, girl. And it's giving me, sis, you tried it coming out the house with that 5-day-old flexi ride that's loose as a goose. Okay? All right. Anyway, my opinion, I'm done. It's Tamale. Please like, comment, click, subscribe, whatever you gotta do. Twerk, follow me at Tamale on Instagram. Subscribe to me on here. Please comment below and tell me what you think, because baby, I ain't feeling it. And then I bought this thinking I was gonna wear it to the beach and be cute because it was gonna be like a loose wave and I would be able to pull it up in a ponytail. Sis, I ain't pulling this nowhere but back into the box. That's what I'm gonna pull it. I'm gonna pull it right into the box because I'm done with it. Alright, I'm done for real. I promise you. It just gotta grow on me. That's all. It just has to grow on me because it ain't grew yet. Okay.